Namaste. I am delighted to address all of you on the occasion of the 176th Indian Arrival Day. On 30th May 1845, Fatal Razak, the first ship from Calcutta, carrying 225 indentured laborers from India, had docked in the Gulf of Paria. This journey across waters continued till 1917. These indentured laborers from India gathered their lives and became an integral part of building this rainbow nation of Trinidad and Tobago. In the process, they became an inalienable part of the history of both our countries. India treasures these historical, cultural, social, and democratic bonds with the people and government of Trinidad and Tobago. Our shared history, culture, and democratic values provide an enduring foundation for stronger relations for the mutual benefit of our people. Every migration has its history, challenges, travel, and tribulations, with tales of courage, pathos, struggle, separation, success, and reconnection, and the battle of structural accommodation and cultural adaptation. Nevertheless, people to people contacts have been at the center of our relationship. Indian music, dance, art, films, festivals, Diwali, yoga, Ramlila, and cricket have played a seminal role in binding people of the two nations together. Incidentally, this year's Indian Arrival Day celebration coincides with the beginning of the celebration of the 75th year of Indian independence, which will culminate on 15th August 2022. Over these years, independent India has established itself as a robust democratic republic, the biggest in the world, resilient in times of challenges, fulfilling old dreams and aspirations, and inspiring new ones. Today, it is 1.3 billion strong, with half of our children under 25 years of age. She is an inalienable force in connecting the globe through information technology and artificial intelligence. Her achievements in new science such as biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, genetic engineering, material sciences, nanotechnology, space sciences, and clean energy contribute immensely to a better future. COVID 19 has changed the world. It has made us realize how important it is to cooperate and work together for progress and security as a global community. At this time of crisis, India took significant initiatives to stand by our friends. Last year, we supplied medical aid to Trinidad and Tobago. This year, on 13th April, a gift of 40,000 shots of AstraZeneca Covishield vaccines from the people and government of India arrived Trinidad and Tobago. The pandemic restrictions have curtailed our customary festivities. However, they must in no way dampen our spirit. On the contrary, it is a significant moment of our history and we must value it. I would especially urge the younger generation to take special care and make special efforts to retain and transmit the richness of their culture to the next generation and the broader world. You are the agents of the wisdom of one of the richest civilizations. It is your responsibility to make others understand, appreciate, and benefit from the goodness you inherit. India's civilizational existence rests on her strength of diversity and pluralism. Its philosophical underpinning has been the age-old adage of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family. It is the land of the Mahatma who gave the world the methodology of truth and nonviolence for establishing peace. India believes in togetherness. Keeping that spirit of togetherness in mind, on this occasion of the Indian Arrival Day, I wish all Trinbagonians a better, brighter, healthier, and prosperous future. Thank you and Jai Hind.